Wow. Fufu.
Fufu. We'll make fufu. So guys, I just parboil my meat. As you can see, we are cooking black soup, guys. Banga with bitter leaf soup. So we are adding our crayfish. Okay, our blended crayfish. After that, we add our pepper, our dry pepper to it. So here is our banga. I just melt it, and now we will try to filter it because of the sand on it. Okay, so I will leave this. I will not use the down because of the sand. Since last year, I've not been able to cook this black soup, so I decided to cook it today. I have some cow leg here, and beef meat, shaki, and I also have a fish and snail. I parboil it already, guys. Okay. This is our banga. So here is the snail and my fish that I will be adding it to it very soon. I bought this snail for a long time. I have it inside the freezer. So I decided to use it today so that it will not get spoiled. Here's my blended bitter leaf, and we add it to it and mix everything together to combine. Okay. This is how we cook our black soup, guys. So after mixing everything, I will now add my seasoning cube right away so that everything will cook together. Seasoning cube, guys. So let's leave it for some minutes to cook. Let's look at this. The way our soup is boiling. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this with a fufu. Black soup. Fufu with black soup. Oh, very sweet food like that. So we leave it to cook for 5 minutes more. So guys, right now we will add our snail and fish to it, to our soup, guys, and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes our soup will be ready. So guys, after 5 minutes our soup is ready. Oh my god, look at this.
Wow. Fufu.
Fufu. We'll make fufu now to eat this delicious soup, guys. See that. Thanks so much for watching Sweet Mother Eat Show. Please like the video, share. God bless you as you do. See you guys on my next video. Bye.